this program, there's an array, and there's going to be an s, variable s, which has a number, and you're going to try to search for that number in the array. So there's a low and the high. The low is the start of the array, and the high is the end of the array. And so while low is smaller than high, then m, the middle, would be equal to L plus H divided by 2 and round down. That's the way this program finds the middle of the two numbers. And if array L is equal to S, for example, if S was 1, that means L would instantly be equal to S. So it will print L, which is the number, which is the index of where S is, and it will break out of the while loop. But if and it's the same thing with array H. If it's 17, like in this example, it will print 17, and then it will break out of the while loop. However, if array M is equal to S, so the middle is instantly equal to S. For example, this would be the middle in this case of low and high. This would be the middle. So for example, if S was 8, the middle is 8. That would make it so it would print 8 with the index of 8, which is in this case 3, and then it will break out of the while loop. If the middle is smaller than S, then it will make L the bottom. So then find the middle between the old middle and then which is now the low, and the same high. However, if the middle is bigger than S, then it will make the high the middle to make it so it could then find the middle between low and high. So for example, if it was 5, then high would be this, so it would find the middle between these two, which is 1 in this case, which is 3 in this case. So then it will just do that over and over again until it finds the answer, and that helps. So it will then break out the while loop if L is bigger than H, or if it just finds the answer. And if L is bigger or equal to H, then it'll print false. And so it'll print false, which means it didn't find the answer. So in this case, it'll print false. It'll print 7 because 17 is the 7th index.